Well guys, it looks like the old Ford is getting towed again. Not really broken down, but man, I'm just having a lot of bad luck with this truck. Yeah, the battery's sitting out there. Right there. As you can saw in the video, it's kind of cropped a bit, but yeah, that almost caught on fire, and apparently that can blow up at any second. So I'm not messing with it. Called roadside. They said we won't help remove the battery. The only thing they can do is tow it, which makes absolutely no sense. So I'm not going to make any sense either. I got a running, working truck here, and they're going to tow it. Because I'm not messing with that battery. I don't like making videos about truck trouble in this one because this is a lemon, and I don't want to give people the wrong idea about Fords. My F350 has been amazing over its 150,000 kilometers. Great truck. This one, yeah.
Hello. Hi. So I do have a few questions for you for a medium-duty tow. We need to know the approximate length and height of the vehicle.
I get asked this all the time. It's 28 feet, 29 feet, somewhere around there. Okay, so as I was saying, I don't want to put this truck on blast too much because, like my other truck's been perfect. This one has just been having a whole strood of just crap. But at this point, it's getting ridiculous. There's just so many problems. And yeah, we're gonna get a tow. It's like 10 minutes away. Why not? Okay. What? And another tow done. It wasn't bad. It was only like an 8-minute ride, so that wasn't so bad, I guess. Whatever. So I don't want to make this a super long, stupid video, but look at this. Holy shit. So apparently there's a broken wire in there. It's actually a serious problem. It's pretty messed up. So I got a loaner car, and we're gonna take that. Not bad. So much more comfy than my truck. Alright, so now I'm in the hotel. You saw the mess that was whatever was going on at the dealership. Hood was up. I mean, not that big of a deal, but yeah, there's some stuff messed up with the truck. It's not just a battery that's gone bad. This truck has given me quite a bit of problems. We had a fuel line break, we had DEF issues, we had ABS issues, we had fuel tank issues, still have fuel tank issues, now electrical issues. It's just not doing good, and after paying this much for a truck and it being in the shop so much, breaking down so much, that truck could have killed me. If I hadn't, realized that a truck does not smell like rotten eggs usually, then that battery would have caught on fire and I would have been driving it. Thank God I wasn't towing a trailer. That could have been very bad. This isn't what you expect out of a new truck that you pay, almost $100,000 for. My F350, my 2014, you guys know, hasn't given me... My F350 has not given me a single issue, really. I mean, pushed off a U-joint in it when I put the tune on like 500 horsepower or something. Like, that's the only thing that happened. Plan is, well, we're gonna go see tomorrow, see what they're up to, see what it's like. Not even sure if it's gonna be under warranty because, you know, warranty runs out at 60,000 kilometers and I'm at 71,000 now. Basically, what I want now is I want this truck gone. You know, I need to replace it with something else. Gonna have to figure something out because this truck, you know, it's soon gonna be out of warranty completely, and I don't want to fuck with it. I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna get some sleep for tonight, and you know, see what tomorrow brings. Just the best I got right now. Off to the dealer. So that's the beast right there. They even put the new tires on. Woohoo! Because it's one of two things. It's either fixed or it's too fucked for them to fix. So let's go see which one it is. It's almost 1 o'clock. I'm assuming they're closed on at lunchtime. Most small places do that. You go have lunch with your family. I'm alright with it. Forgot that there was a way to find out if they fixed it or not. New battery in. Looks like we're all good. Est-ce que c'est garanti?
Oui.
Oui?
Oui. Ben, c'est en 2017, oui.
Ouais, 2017.
T'avais un fil de coupé, mais.
Ah, c'était pas ça. C'était
non, ça n'a pas guéri. D'habitude, ça guérit, mais là, t'as. Ah, 60 011 km. Ah, c'est monsieur qui s'est trompé, correct.
And that was the moment that I found out it's not under warranty. The alternator is 600 plus tax. The battery is going to be probably 250 plus tax. And then the labor is going to be about 1,000. Not happy.